Welcome to the latest episodes of Weekly IT Digest, brought to you by IT World. Today we'll talk about the latest news and trends from the world of AI. Here are these week's top stories. AI to revolutionize a crowd management at Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj. The Uttar Pradesh government will employ AI-based technology for crowd management. The Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed the state policy to leverage AI to ensure unprecedented levels of security, cleanliness, and convenience at the event, which is expected to attract massive crowds. AI tools will monitor a crowd density to prevent clustering and ensure safety. The Kumbh Mela will cover 4,000 hectares compared to 3,200 in 2019. Over 1.5 lakh toilets will be installed, with more than 10,000 sanitation work ensuring they remain functional. Police personnel will be trained to interact warmly and affirmatively with pilgrims and visitors. The Chief Minister also emphasized the importance of a clean Ganga and completing tourism infrastructure projects, including the corridor connectivity Akshay-Vati, Saraswati Koop and the Padalpuri temple. Arrangements will be made for international VIP and VVIP guests to boost the events and global appeal. Thomas Kurian, Google's AI-driven cloud revolutionized. Under CEO Thomas Kurian, Google Cloud has doubled its market share in 5 years, transforming into a profitable $36 billion business by leveraging Google AI capabilities through Gemini. Reddit announced update to its robust exclusion protocol to safeguard against AI crawling, historically used to permit a search engines to scrape content. The update robust text file aims to prevent unauthorized AI training on Reddit data. Reddit will also rate limit or block bots and crawlers that don't follow its public content policy or lack agreement with the platform. These changes, which won't affect most users of legitimate actors like researchers, target AI companies exploiting Reddit's content without permission. The update follows a wide investigation revealing AI startup Perplexity ignored such restrictions. Reddit moves signals that companies must comply with its policies to secure agreements. As seen in Reddit's $60 million deal with Google for AI model training, the platform emphasizes the importance of protecting user content and being selective about partnerships. Google has launched Gemini AI in Gmail and extended its doc sheets, slides, and drive. This feature assists in drafting emails and summarizing threads and generating content across these productivity tools. Available to Google Workspace customer with a specific subscription, Gemini enhances productivity by offering prompts and aiding content creation and summarizes, custom images and data organization tools. The rollout follows Google focuses on AI at its I/O Developer Conference, alleging with the industry trends of integrating AI into everyday applications. However, widespread AI integration raises concern about user privacy and preferences, as users may find it increasingly challenging to opt out of AI-driven features in their daily tech interactions. Qualcomm has unlocked its AI Hub, granting developer access to its suite of AI models for integration into applications. These models, optimized for Snapdragon X Elite series processor launched in April, cover audio enhancement, speech recognition, text and image generation, and various computer vision tasks like image classification and object detection. Developers can download model weight from GitHub and Hugging Face, accompanied by research paper and performance metrics. Qualcomm aims to cultivate an AI-driven app ecosystem optimized for its processor, potentially steering laptop and PC brands towards adopting Snapdragon X Elite chipset for superior AI performance and capabilities. So that is, folks. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Here at IT Voice, we are constantly trying to bring the latest news straight to your feed. Make sure to leave your comments below. See you next one.